In this video, we will study the theory of .NET in detail. We will cover the following topics: architecture of the .NET framework, technologies included in the .NET framework, how the .NET framework works, process flow, advantages of the .NET framework, disadvantages of the .NET framework. Architecture of .NET framework. .NET framework has two major parts: 4.1 Common Language Runtime (CLR), 4.2 Framework Class Library (FCL). 4.1 Common Language Runtime (CLR). CLR is the heart of .NET. It executes the program. Main functions of CLR: program execution, memory management, garbage collection, thread management, security, exception handling, JIT compilation, MSIL right pointing arrow machine code. How CLR works: source code is compiled into MSIL. JIT compiler converts MSIL into native machine code. Program runs on Windows OS. 4.2 Framework Class Library (FCL), a huge collection of ready-made classes. Uses of FCL: file operations, database access, ADO.NET, networking, XML processing, graphics, threading, web development. FCL reduces development time because developers do not need to create everything from scratch. 5. Technologies included in .NET Framework: ASP.NET for web applications, ADO.NET for database access, Windows Forms for desktop applications, WPF for rich UI desktop apps, WCF for services and distributed systems. 6. How .NET Framework works: flow, developer writes code, C#, VB.NET, etc. Compiler converts code into MSIL. CLR verifies MSIL. JIT compiler converts MSIL right pointing arrow native code. Program runs on Windows OS. 7. Advantages of .NET Framework: supports multiple languages, strong security, automatic memory management, faster development, high performance, object-oriented, powerful debugging support, built-in exception handling, automatic versioning. Point 8. Disadvantages of .NET Framework: works only on Windows, older versions, heavy framework, high RAM usage, slow startup due to JIT. Thank you.